welcome in this class. Today I am going to teach you how to make plural by adding s. I know you will say that it's too easy to make plural by adding s, but I am really sure you don't know the things which I am going to clear in this class. Watch this video till the end, and this video will take you in the next level of your learning English. So let's get started. Make plural just adding s at the end of the video. Okay, it's too easy. Bag, bags. Girl, girls. Mat, mats. Okay, these are right. But in some cases, we have to be cautious to add s at the end of the word. Like how to make plural of these words: father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, daughter-in-law. How to make plural of these words? I know you just say add s at the end of the video and make plural. No, in some cases we have to be cautious where we have to put s in these types of words. We have to put s with the word which is very important word, like father-in-law. We can't add s with the end of the word laws. Father-in-laws, mother-in-laws, sister-in-laws, brother-in-laws. These are wrong. We have to put s with the word which is important, like father-in-law. Father is important word, so we will write fathers-in-law. Mother-in-law, mother word is important, mothers-in-law. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law, brothers-in-law. Stepfather, in this also father is important word, so we will add s with the word father. Stepfathers, stepsisters, stepmothers. I hope in this class you have learned something new. If you like this class with Nisha Bansatri, then like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.